Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make protein powder oatmeal. This is such a nutritious breakfast and it's a great way to get in some vegan protein. Protein oatmeal is delicious and we can add whatever toppings we like. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn my saucepan onto high, and then I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of cold water. I'm going to add in half a cup of plant milk of choice. I used an almond coconut blend. If you want a little bit more protein, you can use soy milk as well. I added a dash of salt and 1 scoop of vanilla pea protein powder. So I'm going to just start stirring that in just to make sure that it doesn't clump. I like to add the protein powder first and make sure it's all combined so it doesn't stick to the oats. And then I'm going to add in my oatmeal. So I've got half a cup of quick oats and then a dash of cinnamon. Now to cook quick oats, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes. I just keep stirring it. So it was on high, we brought it to a boil, but I want to reduce that to a simmer and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now optionally, you can add in a tablespoon of maple syrup and half a teaspoon of cinnamon for extra flavor, which I highly recommend. Tastes so good with cinnamon and maple syrup. It just makes it like so delicious. So see that consistency? That is pretty much ready to go. So now we can just add that into a bowl and we're going to put our favorite toppings. So I like to add some berries. I'm going to add some strawberries. I'm going to add some blueberries, and then you can add whatever other toppings that you like. So I'm adding walnuts because they're so good for you, and a tablespoon of hemp hearts because they also have protein and are so healthy for you. And just to make it taste super delicious, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of peanut butter on top. You can add any nut butter that you like, or you can add some chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips, melted dark chocolate. Whatever you want, any fruit, any dried fruit that you like on here, you can customize it to suit your needs, but that is just the basic recipe for our protein powder oatmeal. This is one of my go-tos in the winter because it's just so cozy and warming. And of course, we want to start our day off really healthy with some fiber and protein and all of those good things. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe.